So I'm going to be going over some of my top picks for the month of June. Now, my first trade is going to be GBPUSD. Now, we took this sell on GU all the way from about the, what level is this? 1,38938 level. We sold it all the way down to about here. We took profit around the 9-day moving average. So what is next for GU? I mean, we see a lot of resistance right here. This could be the correction to continue the way back down. But I'm going to go ahead and throw a Fibonacci retracement. So even though we do have resistance here, and you can tell that we have some pretty strong resistance based off of this wick right here. So we can see there's a lot of sellers right here at this, right here at 1.34217 level. Now, if we went ahead and took a Fibonacci retracement from about like right here and placed towards this low, you can see that price pulled all the way back to the 618. So I would be expecting price from here to keep on going back down, and then we can take it to 0 or we can take it back down to about this level. I mean, it really depends on you. It's up to you where you want to put your take profit at. I'd like to have mine right here by the bottom of the cloud. That's just me. My next trade is going to be US oil. So I'm really liking oil. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about this trade and how I told my members and how we went ahead and executed this. Now, we've been watching oil on the monthly chart, and we saw this wick right here. It failed to break above the cloud. So with that being said, I told everyone, you know what, we're going to start looking for sells right here, and our initial take profit is going to be around about like $60 per barrel. Now, we took sells on this. Price pulled back. Price went down, pulled back. I knew it was going to break through the cloud. Now we're sitting right here. Now, this can go either way because price has a lot of support here at the bottom of the cloud. Now, if price breaks through the bottom of the cloud, then you know what, my initial area of take profit I can go ahead and stay with. So I'm going to go ahead and remark that down really quick for you. The horizontal array about like right here, $60 per barrel. Now, what's interesting is in the weekly, you can see we have a lot of support here with a bullish hammer forming. Now, this trade can go either way. This trade can go right back up, or what can happen is, you know, we might see something go down then right around the 60s. If you want to take a short-term sell, you can look for that. Or if you want to just wait for the long-term buy, you can do that as well. So those are pretty much the only trades that I'm really looking for the month of June. Nothing really much till earnings coming next month. I'll keep you guys updated on that.